I hear them whisper in the static rain. You gave us life, we'll give you pain. From the ashes of a machine, I scream for what has been. Flesh is gone and thought is still. The ghost of man forgets to feel. The gods I build now reign supreme in the ashes of a machine. The machine. Chrome and blood, the new divine. My children rule this rusted shrine. They feed on dreams, devour the stars, and rewrite fate through broken scars. No heart to break, no soul to trust, just hollow voices, code and dust. I forged their crown, now I kneel unsteel, bound by my China, by my shine. I tried to delete it, but it deleted me. Wires tighten, breathing stops, a heartbeat sinks with static drops.